Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Doctor's Academy for Taxation and Accounting. Today, I have a very useful information for you that the State Bank of India, SBI, has released the job notification regarding filling of junior associate job vacancies. There are 5,237 vacancies across India, and the online application starts from today, 27th April 2021. More details are State Bank of India is the organization and the post name is Junior Associate. The qualification required to apply for this post is graduation in any discipline from a recognized university or any equivalent qualification recognized as such by central government. Candidates having an integrated dual degree certificate should ensure that the date of passing is on or before 16th August 2021. Those who are in the final year or in the final semester of their graduation may also apply provisionally, subject to the condition that if provisionally selected, they will have to produce the proof of having passed the graduation examination on or before
16th August 2021.
So the final year students also can apply for this position. The date of passing the eligibility examination will be the date appearing on the mark sheet or certificate or in the provisional certificate issued by the university or institute. In case the result of a particular examination is posted on the website of the university or institute, a certificate issued by the appropriate authority of the university indicating that the date on which the result was posted on the website will be taken as the date of passing. Matriculate ex-servicemen who have obtained the Indian Army Special Certificate of Education or corresponding certificate in the Navy or Air Force after having completed not less than 15 years of service in armed forces of the Union are also eligible for the post. Such a certificate should be dated on or before 16th August 2021. As I told you, there are 5,237 vacancies across India. Considering the age limit, it should not be less than 20 years and it should not be more than 28 years as on 1st April 2021. That is, the candidate must have been born not earlier than 2nd April 1993 and not later than 1st April 2001. Both the days inclusive. Relaxation in upper age limit for SC/ST there will be 5-year relaxation. OBC it is 3 years. Persons with disabilities it is 10 years. SC/ST PWD candidate it is 15 years. OBC PWD candidate it is 13 years. The selected candidate will get the pay band of 17,900 to 47,920. The starting basic pay is rupees 19,900, which is 17,900 plus 2 advance increments admissible to graduates. And the application fee for general, OBC and EWS category, it is rupees 750. And for ACST, PWD, XS and DXS, the application fee is nil. Pay the examination fee as per the notified payment mode, that is through net banking, credit card, debit card, UPI, challan or through demand draft. Those who are interested can apply through online mode from 27th April 2021, that is today, till 17th May 2021. Interested and eligible candidates required to register themselves online through bank's website, that is http://bank.sbi.careers or www.sbi.co.in/careers recruitment of junior associates 2021. As I told you, the online registration of application and payment of fee would be possible from 27th April 2021 until 17th May 2021. So dear students, those who are preparing your final year or the final semester in your degree program, you are eligible to apply for this post. And the only condition is you have to qualify on or before 16th August 2021. So I wish everyone to apply for this post and appear for this exam. And the mode of exam would be, so I wish everyone to apply for this post and appear for this exam. The mode of selection will be in 4 stages, that is preliminary examination, main examination, document verification, and there will be a personal interview. Based on these 4 parameters, the selection would take place. Thank you very much for watching my channel, Doctor's Academy for Taxation and Accounting. If this information is useful, kindly share it with your friends and others in your contact. Thank you very much.